Morning. How are we looking? Oh, shit gone. Morning, everyone. Oh no, what's happened here? Oh, shit. Oh, it's just a huge sell-off, my bad. Fucking hell. What happened there? Wowzer. Wow. How's it going, everyone? Afternoon, morning, wherever you're from. Let's have a little look what we're dealing with. How does that happen to me? Nice, there we go. These setups today by the looks of it, yeah, man. I was trying not to say that to myself, but you said it. Negativity. Damn. Not good. Yeah, you're right. Did Cammy stream last night? I did wait and sort of, I don't know if I just didn't get the link or. So I thought he was streaming yesterday. I didn't see nothing though. Maybe I just wasn't looking hard enough, but I definitely didn't see nothing. I mean, we could get some bees. We've got the overnight coming up. Yeah, I don't think we're going to be. I mean, it'd be a shame to miss the move back up if we do go there, but I don't know, man. We'll see. See. No, he didn't. Tomorrow, I think, yeah. How's everyone doing anyway? Did you all miss me on my week off? Any other new people back? I know I had some problems with the link or something yesterday. I did actually miss trading, but I said yesterday, but the missus was at home all week and it's just a bit awkward, a bit distracting, so I thought it'd be wise to just not stream, really. Did end up blowing the 150k though. I just had enough. It was just looking at it. It's going to take ages to get this to the payout stage. So I just went all in 15 contracts. Literally nearly got it there as well. And then I had a massive reversal. And stopped me out. It's £1,500 well, $1,500 to reset that account. Yeah, didn't fancy doing that at all. Voice is a little low. Okay, we can crank it up a bit. Is that any better? Is that better? Shall we say? Have a little look. There we go. Yeah, I think the volume knob on my interface got knocked down a little bit when I put it back into the storage. for the week. Why is that on 6? Why does it keep doing that? Yeah, man, nice little win yesterday. Also a nice loss. I actually got that money back as well, which was crazy. Yeah. Lucky. I managed to get that, what was it, 700 I think we lost on the pro account. I actually got it back. Yeah, lucky, man. Took a bit of a risky one, but it really played out. It happened in seconds. Made like fucking 900 in seconds, and I just jumped out. Yeah, 6 contracts. Not wise to do, but it annoyed me because we took that loss. It's such a great win, and then it was like looking like an even better next trade. And then I thought, well, I'll take it on the pro account, and it loses, man. It's just so typical how that happens. Yeah, it is what it is, man. Lost my head a little bit, so I'm trying to stay consistent now. Having that week off, I think, made me a little bit weak mentally. Yeah, man. A lot of new people. Nice to see. Don't know, are you from the group? Are you just from finding on YouTube? What's going on? Nice to see, man. Yeah, not looking the greatest. I mean, if we're lucky, we might get a few Bs. Unless we got some nodes. Not really. D-shaped profile. Yeah, not the greatest. You never know. We might be surprised. We'll probably leave the pro account alone today, really, unless we see something nice. We'll see. 20 seconds. Let me pull this profile across. Get the new one going. Wait around a half hour. Definitely be waiting the half hour today, at least. So there'll be no trades from me till way gone 3 p.m., 11 p.m., 10 p.m. New York. Okay, market open. Predictions were right on yesterday, though. It was a big sell-off. We called that one correct. Let's see what's going to happen today. Okay. Oh. Always does that. We get that spike in one direction and then that pullback. They might be looking for price to go up, really. Could be. Nice push down there. Getting kind of used to not having level 2 as well now. Kind of stopped trying as much. Oh, yeah. I still haven't really converted over to the gold just yet. I will do. Just a bit focused on this right now. Why has that gone to that? Morning, Daryl. What's everyone's predictions? I want to hear some predictions anyway. Well, we're not doing nothing. We've got half an hour to kill, so I want to see some predictions. I'm not talking a certain price level, but what we're looking at is price going up or we're going down? We're going to continue this sell. Yeah, man, I didn't like that area. Just constantly bouncing off this high. Slowly now coming back down. Is it going to be the same day as yesterday? We did predict that pretty well, though. We caught a few here, didn't we, yesterday, and then... No, it was before that, wasn't it? Yeah, it was down here somewhere. No, what am I saying? That's last week. When was it? Oh, here we go. Yeah, we caught this part here, didn't we? Where was it? Here. Hey? What done here? Yeah, it's up there. Sweet. Yeah, potentially, man. Could be another sell day. Could be, that's for sure. Different prediction, yeah. Bit of consolidation. Very indecisive market, potentially. Everyone's trying to push to the top. Everyone's trying to sell off at the same time. Trying to push the swings out of their positions. Nice little trade there off of point of control, if anyone was brave enough. Ooh. Yeah, nice. Beauty that would have been. Nice push straight back through. Dangerous trade, of course. Nice, perfect little tap there. Oh no, it's gone through. See if we can find some support down there. Just gonna pull off. Ooh, push straight through, sorry. We could take some of these on the evals, to be fair. Might take just a little one contract on the eval. I mind taking C trades on there, really. So we're not taking into account developing profile, not that you can see it anyway, but yeah, these will just be very naughty C trades. Yeah, I do personally. Yeah, I use the 930 candle. I just pull it to it, but why's that gone down there then? Ah, that's what happened. There we go. Probably shouldn't. Should probably put it at 29, really. It hasn't made a difference anyway. Oh, that's a big ask for it to go back up there. I'm not too fussed. This is not a trade I would be copying if I'm talking to you guys, by the way. I might see if it's gonna, if that bounce and just get in on a market just quick on this account. Just to see. I think I've probably missed it now, to be honest. Might take a little risk on the eval. It's very early stages for it. We might have just missed it though. I probably should have got the market order in down here, really. Yeah, I think I missed that one. Shouldn't have shied away from that. That'd have been good. Yeah, we missed that now. Perfect. 1 minute trade. Definitely should have jumped in that one. Should have gone my instincts. I should have just bought in. That is perfect. Yeah, I should have definitely jumped in on that. That was a really nice trade. It's probably too late now. I think that's the retest of that area. I think we're going to push lower now. Let's open this up a bit. Not working off any nodes. Nah, it's just D-shaped. Ain't too worried about that. We can open the candles up a bit today. See if we can get another touchdown there. Be more looking for it to push through first and see if we're going to get another reaction rather than just getting in on that line just to, you know, it could just fold straight through now and just push further to the downside. So I'll try and wait for another reaction, I think. Yeah. Yeah, it's bounced off that really, isn't it? Just as it's gone into that node. I think it's going to be an aggressive push through now, though. I think I might have missed it. Look at that. Perfect, man. That was that was a blinding C trade. See if we can get another pour for that. Yeah, nice, Pete. Good trade, mate. It's got another little tap straight on my area there, but I'm going to wait for it to push through and then just take a quick contract on the eval. Probably not suggested to follow along though. Take that one at your own risk, that's for sure. High probability it's going to fold straight through now. I think it's already come up and, you know, the buyers have tested that. Either that or we've missed it. Yeah, nice little tap there. Perfect on my entry, on the original entry anyway. 798. 50. Oh god, don't want that. Oh. I don't like that. There we go. If we're going to get that push. So we're going to get tapped in. Here she comes. And, whoa, how's that not got me in? No way. That's got to be the closest entry I've ever seen. No way. Look, it's literally on the line. That is unbelievable. Don't know, guys. I think this might be a bit risky now. Probably going to push through. Damn, look at that. Unbelievable. That's not even one tick. That's like 0. It's on the money. On the entry. Yeah, slap and run. Yeah, literally. I've not seen that one happen before. Straight back to TP. Look. Oh, no. That's a shame. That's all right. We'll hold out. It's like in that area, isn't it? So. Wow. Straight back through. 2 wins there, guys. Look at that. That's unbelievable. I've not had that happen before. Fucking hell. We're going to be looking at a sell now. Ideally off of POC. 1350. And we're in. Okay, we're in. Get this up there. To 150. That's crazy. I believe I don't know how we didn't get ended on that. That's unbelievable. Oh well, it is what it is. 805. 805.25. There we go. Right, we're in. See what's going to happen. Is it going to happen again where we miss the 2 trades and we take the 1 loss? How's that worked out then? That's not right. It's meant to be the other way around. Yeah, beautiful tap there though, man. For anyone holding that one out, jeez, that's a huge, huge trade. crazy. Now take another position on this if we can get another little push up. Just to get some back. Missed it again, potentially. There she is. Almost pushed up through. Get that other entry there.
Order filled.
Rather go out of a bang now. Be a real shame though. It is what it is.
Stop
Wow.
filled.
That is aggressive. Oh well, we tried it. We tried it. That's why we don't use POC, man. That is a shame. Look at that for a buy. That was perfect, man. We'll try again. It's alright. We're only on evals. Don't care. Next trade, I suppose. Looking for the sell offer there, really. It's going to be a range day. We got 15 minutes. Hopefully we can get the tap off the value area low. Oh, that's actually the high. There we go. Not wanting to push much further, is it? Let's see. What did we lose on that? 500. Yeah, that's alright. Would have been a good win. Okay, now. Yeah, note to take there is obviously, did something wrong, didn't I? I used POC, which we're still counting as the current profile, really. So, yeah, I shouldn't have done that. Got a nice B forming off of the value low in 14 minutes. We can get back down there. Do 550. Crank it up on there. 350. That's a shame, innit? Look at that. Would have been back in profit if it was just a few more ticks above. What a shame. I love catching the losers, don't I? I miss the wins and catch the losses all the time. It's madness. Right. Come on. See if we can get in there. Just glad I didn't take that on the pro. I'd have been fuming. Yeah, we're going to get the tap. Oh no. That's alright, man. They're only evals. Don't stress too much. I'm just focused on passing at the minute, trying to get some more up there with it. Takes the stress off of actually trading the actual pro. Whoa. Don't want that. What happened there? We all good? Yeah. Buying pressure is dying out. Just hopefully we can get in before it does. That'll be annoying. Morning, Nabil. Morning, no. Done well. For trading. Coming up probably 2 years. Oh, it's hard to say because I started a few years ago, but then I had a massive break. It wasn't really trading. I just dabbled in it. But properly since about November last year. Been taking it more serious. Okay, let's see if we can get tapped in now. Put the one and done on the account. Let's scale right into this one as well. Come on. One tick away, and we're in.
Order filled.
See what happens. We are in the trade. Is it going to push through? Crazy on the bull run right now. This is madness. With no respect. What a day for the people that held off that value low, man. That's unbelievable. What do we reckon? I think it's going to push higher, man. I think it's going to keep going up now. I think we're looking at a buy day. I think these are just pullbacks. These are just ones that go higher. Starting to get the gist. I should be just pressing the opposite button to what I think. I feel like that would work out way better in this half an hour period. Wow, man. This is madness. What are we down to now? Right, I'm going to pull out of this. Do not copy what I'm about to do because this account's finished anyway. So I'm just going to see what happens. We're going to do a test here. Let's go. Let's leave this to run. Or it's going to blow. Let's see what happens. If it blows, it blows. The account's finished. By the looks of it, it just wants to go up, doesn't it? Yeah, I know. It always happens that it's about to drop me out now. Come on. No. Go, go, go. It's so stupid, isn't it? Alright, we'll look for a retest. It was going to finish off anyway. It's silly. This looks like it wants to go high. I've not seen it do this. This is craziness. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's go. Let's see what grows on today. This is ridiculous what's going on here. I'm just going to let it run. What do we need? Account summary, 750. Oh God, I don't even know what that works out at. Let's follow the balls, shall we? Open P&L, margin 4925, so that's 1200. Fucking hell, you're going to need a lot here. Let's just let it play. If that's where it wants to go, that's where it wants to go. Let's do some reverse psychology. Alright, so I need 1500 from now, basically, to max out for the day on this. Take profits. No, let it go. It's only an eval, mate. Just let it run. Let it run. It's going to go up. There's nothing for it to come off now. It just wants to go, doesn't it? I ain't fussed. It's only an eval, bud. Yeah, it's 1500 on the day overall. So I've just lost. I've already lost. My equity is 225, isn't it? I think. So I need to get it up to. What would that be? 15. I can't. What was I? I was at 100. I was on 500 profit when I so. Got to go. It's got to go up to like 52,000. I'd say 52,000 would be the limit. It just wants to go. That's where it wants to go. We'll let it go. Could do. I said, but it's only the eval, mate. I'm not that fast. Obviously, pro account. Jesus Christ, I wouldn't even be doing stuff like this. So we'll let it run. Take some profits off back up here if we get through. What are we at? 835.50. 835.50. Take 4 off there. Yeah, I know what you're saying, but we earn good money. We're earning good money, bud. What does that work out at? We need to earn like 3k on this to max out. It's a test. It's a test. What would that be like there? Where's that look like? Yeah. Let's have a look what the market wants to do today. I know what you're saying, bud. Don't get me wrong. I do. Very aggressive though, isn't it? Very aggressive. It's not 3K actually, it's not. It's maybe like here somewhere, I think. It's just mad what it wants to do. I think it'll work out right about that. I've lost a certain amount. I think it works out about that. Yeah, roughly. It's crazy, mate. Go, go, go. Run up. You hit the limit. Go, go, go. No, it's not a trade, buddy. We're just going with the trend. It's just a test on the eval. Not wanting to go much further though. I think we're going to get ready to pull out now about this 2K mark. Yeah, we're out.
Stop filled.
There we go. Now it's going to push all the way through. Yeah, no, we had a beautiful play off of value area low. I mean, we had our entry there, literally where the candle hit, but it just didn't get me in. It literally tapped it. Do you know what? I'll actually be able to show you. Let me go back. You'll see the entry, and it didn't tap me in, and I have no idea why. It just didn't tap us in. So strange. It was literally on the where the candle went. It was the perfect entry, and we missed. Yeah, look, we missed. Look how perfect that is. We didn't even get tickled. Like someone said, it well done. It was a slap in the face, and it just didn't get us in. So yeah, that's what ended up happening. Yeah, not bad trade. Good trade that one. Really bad trade, but we got it back. If that's where the market wants to go, man, it's gonna go. You know what I mean? Yeah, and he puts us up like 700 though. 720, yeah. So we lost 700 and we made. How does that work then? Must have been the fees. Must have knocked some off the fees. Probably been charged a bit for the fees on that one. Yeah, not the greatest play. Yeah, I think we got out at a good point. Might hit the cap there. We'll see. But yeah, not looking the greatest days, guys. That was very lucky. Obviously, that was gambling. You know, I appreciate the amazing comment, but Very stupid, really. Could have blown the account there. Well said by Marco, saying it's 100 quid. You're absolutely right, mate. And you know that's the mindset to have, to be honest. But obviously, it's just an eval, man. I'm not that fast. I know it's not a good mindset to have, but it was either that or take a few days to take some proper trades to get it back up. Do you know what I mean? I'd rather start again at that point. I'd already, you know, I lost a lot then. Yeah, capping out there, hitting something we don't know about, something that not in our strategy. It's definitely touched an area of something. If anyone's got any wisdom. Yeah. Nice little 2k there. Bring us back. Anyway, let's get rid of that account for the day. And get some more evals as well. But I keep focusing. I capped it out at 3 just because I've got my 2, so I got my 1 pro account. My funded accounts, I'm very safe, very safe with that. Just one, normally one contract, and just sort of leave it there really. We just buy in again here. Just keep following it up. Madness, this is absolute madness. Is that the same? Yeah. Just gonna follow this trend. Yeah, I was doing the same. It was 2 crunch. Yeah, exactly, man. It's way, or especially, I mean, that's just with 5 points, but yeah, if you're 8 points and stuff, it gets a little bit, puts you on edge. You don't need that, man. 1 contract, 250. That's why I'm just kind of focusing on getting the evals up at a minute, because once they're all at that level, obviously, like if I'm winning 3 out of 5 trades in one day, if he was managing to get 5 in, you know, $750, we can draw that out, and the other ones you can just kind of forget about. You'll get them back, do you know what I mean? I think I'm just going to buy in again with this. Just follow it up. Just let it play. We'll wait for a pullback. Don't copy this, guys. This is not the strategy. I shouldn't even be doing this live, to be honest, but like I said, it's evals. I'm really not that fussed about these. This one I more am because it's in profit, a decent amount. But yeah, I won't be doing that again. That was just to get the money back. I'll wait for a pullback, see if we can get back down here a little bit. Don't really want to. Our 3 points is going to be. Yeah, it's pretty safe. Take an entry around there. Just about where it went, to be honest. We'll see. Try something a little different. Take a little entry there. That is too loud. Okay, we're getting that 1 entry. See where we go. This is just a pure trail. A trail or a fail, we're going to call it. Just looking like we want to go up, man. It's a shame market conditions are not really on our side today, guys. As we can see. It's just a little bit of fun for the stream. Buying power is dying out though, guys, so it's either going to be a huge fast reversal or another spike up, I reckon. It's not going to be, I don't think we're going to just wiggle our way back up. I think it's going to be very aggressive in one direction or another. Hopefully we can get up and actually get some proper trades in, man. But it's not looking good. Very much C trades everywhere now. No good. Take a little loss on this 150, no dramas. Or we could just keep the buy-in going and trail it through. This is not what is taught in the course, obviously. If anyone hasn't done it, this is not the strategy. I can't stress that enough. I apologise because it's very unprofessional. Very high risk. But just judging off what's been going on, I mean, this is a huge buy. Hopefully getting back up to where we're... Whoa, there we go. There's what we was talking about. Okay. See what's going to happen. The buyers have fallen away. If we can get back down to a decent area. Maybe a nice tap off value area low back to the upside. Just be patient. I know, man. It was a lovely day yesterday though, man. Some real good trades there yesterday. I didn't check the PM session just because I didn't see Cami online, so I didn't bother jumping on. I'd already packed everything away, and I was gonna, you know, if I'd known he wasn't on, I would have jumped on. I didn't check the messages or anything. Yeah, apologies for that. Did anyone catch anything at all in the PM session? Was anything going on? Hopefully we can come back down, bring value area low up a little bit. I caught some trends trades on NQ. Nice, man. I love NQ. Well, loved NQ. But yeah, I got a little bit scared with it when I was, you know, similar to the gold. Like obviously them ticks are a lot closer. So you know, using minis gets a little bit scary, considering we've only got, you know, 2K to play with. Where did that price go to? Did we catch that perfectly? Yeah, pretty much. We would have only squeezed a little bit more profits out of that, so I think we got out a good time there. See what's going to happen. Such a shame we missed them 2 trades down here though. That was, I mean, the first one was beautiful, and then that last, obviously, God, if we had caught that perfect, just, you know, when you're explaining what we're doing, I mean, this is perfect. Push through, straight through POC, pull back, bounce off it, straight back to the upside. Absolutely obliterated value area low. Obliterated value area low. No problem for that at all. Slight pullback, just a wick. I'm not even going to look at that. Perfect push again up to the upside. Great. That would have been amazing to catch that. Oh, would have been a very rich man. Oh, I'd love to check out NQ again, man. I just love the speed. I love it, but it's obviously, you know, it's very deadly. In my gambling career back in the day, I blew a lot of accounts on that, man, with Top Step. Does anyone still use Top Step actually? And more specifically, have you still got an original account that you can use Tradovate with? Because I had 5. I was so happy. I passed them like 2 days before. I think it was 2 days or a day before they switched over to Top Step X. So obviously I yeah, got them passed, and this is way before volume profile days. I mean, it would have been really, if I'd had them all passed, man, God, that'd have been so good now. But yeah, weren't the right time, unfortunately. Yeah, nice to see some new people, man. Curtis, I haven't seen your name before. Welcome. Got some sideways action now. It was a good first half hour though, man. That was some you know, we caught, well, really we had the third trade there as well, didn't we, on the overnight's POC. That's obviously what I tried to catch here, but it failed. Ended up pushing through, as my luck goes. That was a beautiful sell-off there, back down to value very low, and then them two bounces perfectly for a 8.25 take profit, perfectly hit within a minute. And then that second tap, which we was meant to be in on, which is really annoying actually. I don't know why we didn't get tapped in. It literally hit it perfectly. So I'm really not sure what happened there. That's a real shame. That is a real shame. Yeah, gutting really. We could have chased that all the way up, man. That would have been beauty. What a shame. Even if we didn't, you know, a few minutes, couple of minute trade. Yeah, man, shame. Real shame. On top step currently, it's not too bad. I have some resets that I need to still use. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I forgot you get I've probably still got a few myself, to be honest. But I do like the Top Step X platform, but obviously a lot of people are saying about the slippage and stuff like this gets a little bit funny. But I mean, if you're playing around with it post or pre New York, it shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, I just like the way you can just buy in and then drag, and you can move your stop loss so much easier. I'm so used to using the DOM and stuff now, I don't really care about that anymore. Yeah, when we're earning consistent money with all the accounts and stuff, I'll definitely check them out again for sure. It'll get better. Maybe we're going to get the sell-off back down, guys. Hopefully try and get good trading if we see anything. I don't think I'll be trading the pro account today. There's nothing really, only really B's and C's, B's and A's on that, preferably. And I mean good ones and all. You know, some, I mean obviously in hindsight this was the one to take. I could have retired for the week, that's for sure. That would have been a very good trade for Cammy, that, with his, you know, when he takes 75% off and trails the rest. That would have been a beauty. He'd have earned more off the trail than what he had the initial trade. That would have been an amazing trade. Why don't you use TradingView to execute trades? It's more the speed, mate. You know, if I need to, with trading, you know, if I'm just trying to buy in, I've got to, you know, I can either just buy in, or if I'm, you know, waiting to get to an area, I've got to set this up, you know, and then I've already missed it potentially. I understand if I'm just waiting for a certain level, but sometimes when you do that, it messes around with the DOM and vice versa as well, and it's just a lot easier for me to do it on here because you can't see your earnings. So obviously I know what 5 points is, I know what 8 points is, so if I'm just trying to, if I am buying in market order or something like that, I can quickly, you know, buy in, and then I can click exactly where I want my, what price I'm looking to obviously win and lose. Just a few different things. I don't really know. Obviously I normally have level 2 data as well, so I go off of that more than ever. You know, we can see where the large orders are, where the quantities of orders are. Don't know, and obviously in Cammy's course, that's how he teaches, which is probably the main reason, to be honest. I'm just trying to copy what he does. It works. He clearly proves it pretty much every day he comes on. His trades are just ginormous. You know, even the losses he takes, they're you know, they're valid losses. They're not silly losses. Sometimes with me, like when we took this trade earlier off of point of control, if we go back a little bit, you know, we took the sell there. You know, this was prior to, yeah, 941, so it wasn't even using, this point of control was still basically the active point of control. We should have been using that. The same as here. I wouldn't trade now off of this, but obviously looking at it, I was a bit rushed, and I see it go up there. It was very aggressive, so I was like, oh, let's just get in. And obviously, yeah, look what happened. I don't think Cammy would have done that. He would have, you know, just from his experience, he would have seen that that was not the correct thing to do, and probably, you know, would have avoided that and called out what was going to happen. So it's more, yeah, that's why I'm just trying to replicate exactly what he's doing. I'm just trying to get that knowledge in there, man. Yeah, we took a little gamble anyway, and we got that money back plus some, so we're alright. Haven't done that for a while, you know. A bit bad actually looking at it back. No, it's not. It was a good trade. Good trade. Lucky trade. Bad trade, lucky trade, we'll say. But yeah, that's mainly the reason why I don't use TradingView, but it's just personal preference. It's Yeah, I don't know. It's just I'm just so used to using the DOM now, especially when you got level 2 data. It's why is that? What's going on? Oh no, TradingView's gone down. Tradovate's gone down. Oh, for fuck's sake, what's going on here? Well, there you go. Might be using TradingView now. Bear with me, guys. I'm gonna have to cut the screen for a second. You can still see me, but I'm just gonna have some detail. Oh, are we back? Oh, it's alright. We're back. We're back. There we go. Sorry, we're good. We're back. I don't know what happened there. Strange. Not seen that before. Got the no entry sign. Yeah, not looking too good today, man. As of now, anyway. Is Cammy streaming? Sorry, I know one of you said earlier, but my mind's a bit frazzled. Is he not streaming tonight? If he's, or just say, is he streaming or not tonight? Because if he's not, I'll probably jump back on for the PM session and we'll just cut this a little bit early because, I mean, we're just sitting around talking drivel at the moment. Nothing really going on. I mean, even if we do get up there, we're going to be playing off current profile, so yeah, not the greatest, man. Yeah, did anyone get in on this bull run? Did anyone get this? Because that is amazing. Even if you was using a trail behind, you know, volume levels, it's still safe. You'd have had some really good runs out. I mean, you wouldn't have got out until up here I mean, you'd potentially still be in. He's not streaming today. I think he's in Australia, so he said he was going to do New York tomorrow. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, well, if I'll see what's going on when the missus gets home later, and I'll probably jump back on because it's been a bit of a shit session. We've had a fluke win, a gamble. I'm not proud of that at all. And one loss, which was I shouldn't have actually took. So if anyone else took that and lost, I apologise sincerely, but we've got to learn, man. We're not going to learn from just watching. We've got to get in there. But yeah, obviously looking back at that, that was the complete wrong trade to take. We shouldn't have took that. No way. That was a very wrong trade to take. If anything, we should have countered the edge of this node really down here, if that's what we was going to do. Yeah, regardless, we should have stayed away from that. But we've learned. I'll remember that one. Second day back as well, man. Do you know what? I was feeling really rusty yesterday. I was actually a little bit panicked as such about getting on. It was a bit strange, to be honest. So I was streaming for like, I don't know, about 3 weeks straight. So yeah, I took that week off and it kind of like, I was a bit, even setting my stuff up. I was like, shit, where does this go? Where does this go? Is the camera right? Yeah, it's not too bad. A lot of orders there, man. 167 sell orders there. I need to sort this level 2 out. I know I said I'm getting used to it. I got to sort it out. This ain't right. Not right at all. I need to get that sorted quick. Even if you was trading these stops, man, I think you're still in. I mean, you'd probably get a bit weary now, maybe chuck it down here somewhere or under here, but I mean, that is a fucking ginormous trade. I can't believe that we didn't get tapped in. I can't believe it didn't get us in. It's madness. Even if your TP was there, man, that is insane. Just the one contract, yeah. There you go, 10k if you got that full 6 contracts in there. $400 risk for a 17.25 return at the worst. And if you're currently in, you're up over 2k. That's insane, man. What a beauty. I can't believe that didn't tap us in. That is criminal. We've actually, someone needs to mention that in Cammy's stream tomorrow for me if I don't make it, but I mean, that is, that's worse than what, it's worse than the, we've achieved something worse than the one tick tickle. The slap in the face. And then a huge bull run as well. I can't believe it. That's insane, man. I'm sure we'll catch one day. It's hard, I think, you know, like it's easy now looking at, oh my God, we'd be up so much, but ideally, would you have held that out after seeing what price has been doing? You know, been bouncing off a point of control, coming back down, bouncing up. You know, would you have held it? Probably not. But regardless, I missed out on. I wouldn't have took that. I wouldn't have took the first one. To be fair, I wouldn't have took this. But that first one, obviously, I just missed the entry. So, and then the second one, I missed the entry again. So yeah, theoretically, we're down 2 trades. Took a gamble, but you know, it's nothing to rave about. Bit embarrassing, really, to be honest, but it worked out. Nearly lost the account as well. I think I was about 2 ticks away from losing the account on that, so I was really lucky. And then yeah, literally dropped so far down. As soon as I bought in, it dropped down like $500-600. I was lucky. No good. Yeah, he's in Australia again, man. Who sees car crash the other day? That was I mean, I swear he just bought that car as well. That's a shame, man. Real shame. We'll see what happens off this half-hour candle. Give it another 6 minutes. Nothing's going to go crazy, then probably jump off till the PM. We'll jump back on later and see what happens. I owe you guys, what do I owe you? For anyone who jumped in that loss we took, I owe you 8 points. So I'll get that back for you like I did the last 10 points. But we're not doing bad, man. We don't actually get, you know what, I'm not going to finish that sentence, but you know what I was going to say. We win more than the other thing that can happen. So I'm sure we'll get that back tomorrow. Yeah, good. Did you get both of them, Pete? Did you catch both of them? Did you catch both of these value very low buys? Because if you did, that's jammy. You're aggressive, man. You always catch the ones I miss as well. It's such a shame. You want to do my accounts for me? I had just the one in and out. Yeah, I mean, it was a beauty, man. 1 minute trade that. Well, my trade yesterday was what, $500 in 3 minutes. I mean, that it would have only been the one contract on that because it was a C, but you know, it'd have been 250 in 1 minute. So yeah, clean trade, mate. Literally perfect, wasn't it? To the tick, pretty much. What was it, 2 ticks up? Yeah. Oh no, full point. Oh no, it would have been 3/4 of a point. Yeah, with our stop loss. Oh, yeah, it was perfect, mate. Perfect trade, lovely. Just for anyone that didn't see it as well, the entry was obviously on the overnight's value very low. And then Pete got in. I don't know if he took a market order or something, but he would have got in nice off some extra profits there. Come up 1 minute, touch, smashed through TP, quick reversal. Oh, you're joking? You took a oh shit, I was just about to say it's gone back to value very low, isn't it? There we go. Yeah, that's a shame. Did you not switch account? No. Gotta switch them accounts, man. Try and do 1 trade a day. 1 trade a day. I'll go for 1 win and 2 losses. Just hopefully we can get that, you know, get them profits back on that second loss, on that second trade of the first loss sort of thing. That's kind of what I'm trying to stick to. Just trying to be safe. Yeah, 1 win and I'm done. No point trying to push it. But we're going to get that push to the upside again, guys. It's starting to break out. That's a good plan plus / strategy. Yeah, I mean, again, it's kind of what Cammy does, isn't it? You know, I mean, a lot of people do it. Why would you give the money back? You're going to be nervous going into it, especially on a pro account. Do you know what I mean? If that's actually your wages and you've just given it back, you're going to sit there thinking, why did I just do that? Well, I would anyway. Even on the evals, I think, for fuck's sake, do you know what I mean? That's why I'm trying to spread it out. But I was overdoing it. I was having, like, you know, I've got 1 pro account. I was having 4 evals going at the same time. So the other day I went, do you know what? I'm just going to go hard. And if I blow 2, then I'll just keep the other 2 and I'll work them up, get them to pro. And then I'll go for the rest, you know. I don't even know what that is, bud. Tick level data. Oh wow. Honestly, I've never even heard of that, man. But not a huge fan so far. Yeah, do you know what? Do you know what? It's strange. I see a lot of questions in the group and obviously, you know, in the comments here when we're streaming. And it's hard for me because I don't relate to a lot of it. And obviously not all of them, but like I'll explain. But you get a lot of people say like, oh, you know, wouldn't I don't know, there's not something here, but let's see if we can find something. It's like, you know, would it be, is this a B or a C trade because it's next to the node on the current developing profile? And it's like, I find it hard to kind of answer the questions from time to time because this is the only thing I've learned trading. In my honest opinion, this is the only thing, volume profile and Cammy's way of doing it. I tried Tradodale and it is great, like bigger trades and all that. I get, you know, it's nice. But I couldn't relate to it. Like when I watched his videos on this, straight away it was in and I was like, fucking, I'm ready to go. And then the next day I was making money and passed accounts, got my first payout. Not obviously the next day, but do you know what I mean? From the next day onwards, within, what was it, 2 weeks, I passed 3 accounts. I ended up blowing one because I got a bit too excited. And then obviously the 50k, I've taken 2 payouts from them. You know, it was like crazy. It's just nice to see that. So it's hard because it's like, for me, I'm like, you know, sometimes it's hard to look at these things, and for me, I'm like, no, I've just got my own little system going. But yeah, it's hard sometimes. I feel like some people are getting a little bit too confused and they're trying to hypnotize themselves into taking the trade, which is obviously really not the right kind of mindset to be using on this. You just kind of want to stick to the levels, and if it's blatant obvious in your face, like I feel like some people must be going really in tight and going, oh, there's some volume there. Are we counting that as this? And I'm not saying they're wrong or right, you know what I mean? But it's just for me at the minute, I've just developed what I feel like is working. And that's what I'm doing. And then once I'm now, you know, got this really driven in and it's sitting tight, you know, I'm going to start adding in some other things, seeing if it works, if it doesn't work, you know. But obviously, yeah, at the minute, just, that's what I was going to say, just any advice to anyone who's struggling with, just watch. I mean, if you're not in the course, obviously it's a little bit different, but if you're not in the course and you're struggling with it and you want to learn it, it's not a lot of money to get that course, and it's, you know, excuse the language, but it's fucking worth it. Like, and anyone will back it up in the live stream. As soon as I watched it, click straight away. Seriously, I'm not exaggerating. Cammy's done a lot for, you know, for us and me, and, you know, helping with the channel and stuff like that. So obviously, yeah, I'm obviously gonna help promote his group, but I wouldn't do it if it was shit. Do you know what I mean? And I wouldn't be in it either. So it's worth it, man. It really, really is. As soon as you watch them videos and they're all in line, there's all other stuff getting added to it. You know, different variations of different things. I was in the bath. I watched it in about an hour and a half. Come out looking like a prawn. And I was like, right, I'm ready. Next day, set it up, no problem. Obviously a little bit shy. I had to, you know, watch back through it and think, oh, that's where that's go. That's what this level's called. I still get a little bit confused with the time, so I do run over it again from time to time. I need to do it as well because I had a week off, so I'm feeling a little bit like I need to go over the course again. But yeah, man, it's the best 100 quid I've ever spent. I don't even think it was that. How much was it? I think it was about 100 quid when it got transferred into pounds, so even better if you're using GBP. Yeah, cracking course. It's hard changing platforms. Yeah, man. That's kind of, again, going back to, who was it that mentioned Christian? Going back to you, buddy. I think that's another reason as well. For, you know, platforms, I can merge all of my funded accounts apart from Top Step obviously into this as well, so it just keeps everything the same. All I'm looking at is where I'm buying or selling from, and that's it. I ain't got to worry about, you know, with the Top Step X pack, oh, where does this go on here? Got to have multiple monitors now because I can't use the DOM as such on there. I don't think you can, and I wouldn't want to anyway. I only really trust this one. There's a question actually. Is anyone using the DOM, or can you even have a DOM on Top Step X before I sit there mocking it? Because it might actually be good. Yeah, just trying to keep everything the same, man. That's the best way to go. It's just repeating the same process every single time you're trading. And that's what the word consistency means, you know. Not following my own advice today, though, on that gamble, but like I said, it played out, man. The market was most definitely going up, I would imagine. When you started the firm accounts, did you have to do eval or straight funded? Prop firm accounts. So obviously, I'm using obviously Take Profit Trader as of now. Was my largest amount of money I've spent is on Apex, probably, maybe actually Top Step, I don't know, but no, with Take Profit Trader you got an eval, so with a 50k, if that's what you're meaning anyway, you got to earn 3k, then you go to a pro account, then you got to earn 2k, and then anything over that is all yours, and you can withdraw that. It says daily. I'm not going to sit there and say it is, because it's not. If I earn $250 on there today, or $500 on there today, I can't draw it out till tomorrow, in England anyway. And then that takes like 12 hours, so you won't be trading that account tomorrow unless you want to risk losing it. And then I'll probably get that the next day after. So really, I mean, you can take, for me in England, I can't start the withdrawal process till tomorrow morning, and then it's going to take all day to get that processed. And then once it's processed, it's actually quite quick, because you just set it up and take it pretty much straight out. It's just waiting on PayPal and stuff, but you can trade straight away. So really, after like 12 hours after you've like requested the payout, it's actually alright. It removes it from your balance and you can trade straight away, which is pretty cool. So with the way I want to do it, that's why I want 5 accounts. I can take the wins and take the losses every day. Doesn't matter. Just basic trades. Take the hit. You know, 1 contract, 2 contract max. Probably 1 contract. Just keep it safe. And then maybe on a Thursday, or I could do it. No, so yeah, so trade Monday to Thursday is what I've been thinking. And then Friday morning, request the payout, so that then by Friday evening, it'll be accepted, hopefully. And then you'll get the money that night, you know, ready for the weekend. If not, you get it Monday morning. But regardless, you'll be able to trade again from Monday, because, yeah, it got a bit... I requested my payout Friday, I think last Friday. Or the Friday before, I can't remember. And I didn't get the payout till Tuesday afternoon. So, yeah, that weekend kind of takes a big hit. Lewis, do you trade full-time now? Yes, mate, I do, yeah. Oh, would you mean like I've stopped working? No, God, no. I haven't stopped working, but trading full-time, yeah, obviously 5 days a week, if I can, depending on what's going on. Try and get at least a trade in a day. I'm just trying to get the evals up, but for the minute I've taken I put the brakes on for the pro account, and I'm just working on getting them evals up. Really, they're important. I'll probably work on these and get these up to the actual payout stage. So I've got 3 accounts, and then, you know, in market conditions like this, I've got another 2 evals I can work on. You know, where it doesn't really matter about losing or winning. I mean, I'll be earning good money, so it'd be a bit different, but. Yeah, try and get them up, and then once that's completed and we're all good, then from there I'll probably bring some Apex accounts and start working on getting them up to 20 accounts, and then obviously copy trade. I'll be copy trade in between, because obviously we're not going to get 25 opportunities a day, really. Not unless you want to play some crazy movements. Yeah, that's the sort of plan for me, bud. Yeah, I worked out the other day, funny enough. It's crazy, actually. It might be a little bit wrong, but obviously looking at when you're incorporating tax and everything in the UK, I think if you earn over, what is it, like 100 and something thousand, you have to pay like 45% tax. I think it's 45%. Or even if it's 40, we'll keep it at that. So if you're trading prop firms with just pro accounts, so 80-20 split, if you earn $1,000, you're going to withdraw $800. Then when you request it from dollars into pounds, it gets into your account, you're going to be looking at just over 600 quid. So then from there, really, you got to put another 20% away in a savings account for your tax. So, you know, that's not a very nice chunk gone. And then if you're earning that consistently, and you're going to be in the 40% mark because you're working a day job as well, then you've got to put another 40% away from that. So basically, you got to take. You're basically earning roughly about 15 to 20. So whatever you earn, you're going to get about 15 to 20% of that. I might be wrong. I don't know. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but that's just what I worked out in my head the other day when I was driving. So yeah, roughly you're going to be losing about 85% of your profits overall, I think. Yeah, so yeah, 20, 20, 40, and then another 40, potentially 45. So yeah, 85%'s coming off at the maximum. So if you need, sitting down, looking at what you need to earn a month to quit work full time, for me, $3,000 after tax. I mean, it's a lot of money. I don't know if it will work out right on this with a calculator doing it backwards, but if I do 3K plus 85, where's it gone? Am I being blinded? Yeah, percent. No, it's not going to work. Well, what would that be? How would I work that out? I do be about 12, 11.5 grand, something like that, 11,500. So you'd have to be earning a consistent level of 11.5K a month in my mindset at the moment before I could even think about giving up work and earning that consistently every single month at least. So trading full time, I think, is you're gonna. I mean, obviously it's different if you're using your own funds and you're on a 90-10 split. You can shave obviously that margin up, but if you're looking at it the worst case possible, you're going to lose 85% of your profits really if you're trading the most basic way. Prop firms 80-20 split. Tax, then tax again, dollars to pounds, conversion rate. There's a lot to take in. So it made me realize, I see a lot of people on YouTube and stuff, and they're kind of thinking, oh yeah, I'm a full-time day trader, do this, do that. They got like, a couple hundred subscribers, like my sort of level YouTube, a baby in the field. I find it very hard to believe sometimes. I mean, it could be true. Do you know what I mean? Some people, but you're looking at it from a consistency. If you're looking at it from a consistency point of view, it's all well and good earning fucking 13 grand in a month, but can you do that for 12 months straight? That's with no time taking off, not getting too mad with your spendings, not blowing any accounts, not having any bad months trading. Like, it's a lot to ask. So that's kind of what I've come to the realization that it's not really. It's not going to be around the corner. Like I was hoping to retire by the age of 30, which would be next August. So I think that margin's been pushed out quite a bit. Need to get yourself to Dubai or Paraguay. Yeah, I know, man. If you gave up work, the tax would change because you lose that income. But yeah, it sucks in Oz. I'm paying 46% tax at the moment, so anything I earn trading is basically half tax. Yeah, that's what I mean, man. Only good thing here. Ah, yes, of course, yeah. You probably actually get more, if I'm corrected. So if you request a 1K payout dollars, do you get more in Aussie? 1,000 USD in AUD. Oh, you fuck! That is out of order. Oh my god! Fuck that! I'm moving there. I'd love to go Australia. Yeah, that was my dream. I was gonna go there just before I met my missus. That's where I originally wanted to end up. That's crazy. You get $1,500 back. What the fuck? Yeah, 1,000 USD is 1,500. Can you see that? That's insane. Oh, it's going to be reversed. You won't be able to read it anyway. 1,000 US dollars is 1,537 in Aussie dollar. It's crazy. I am so jealous. That is so bad. I know obviously things are a little bit dearer and stuff, so, kind of, but even still, it still works out way better than over here. Damn, that's crazy, man. That's quite bad, actually. That's made me think some life-changing things. Fair play, though, mate. I mean, that's insane. It literally sucks the life out of us over here, man. I said if I pulled, so I earned, 2 weeks Thursday and Friday ago, I went hard on the pro account, so I just traded the pro account just to see what I could do. I made $1,200. I think I made just over $1,200. And by the time it reached my account over the 2 days, I did get a $50 fine because the first little trade was under 250, so I got that $50. I had to pay $50 fine, whatever it is, payout fee or whatever it is. I think I got 670 after that. Something like, no, a little bit more, about 712. I think it was something like, it was petty, mate. I just looked at it. That's nothing. Do you know what I mean? It paid the rent obviously for the like the mortgage or whatever, but it's that's crazy, man. I can't believe you actually get more. Oh, imagine if he was trading in pounds. Oh my god, you'd be getting double. You'd literally be getting double. Let's check that conversion rate out. Mate, if you earn £1,000, you get 2k in USD in AUD. That's nuts. Oh mate, I don't know the UK tax system at all, but here the expense of trading can be taken out of your profits, then taxes on. Yeah, I mean obviously I'm not taking that. I'm just saying the worst case possible in the UK, the worst possible case possible. 85% tax, I think, unless it's 40. It's either 40 or 40. I think it's 45% or 44% after you earn like 140 grand a year or something. I'll find out in a minute. But yeah, man, you need an English prop firm to turn up, man. You'd be laughing. That's insane. That is insane. I mean, if they'd do it in dollars probably anyway, wouldn't they? But if they didn't, crazy, man. I never even thought of that. So when Cam is earning, what was the post he put up the other day saying he earned 19 grand last week, I think, wasn't it, over the accounts? So he's basically so he would have got 35 grand in the bank. 30 odd thousand. Is it even better in New Zealand? No way. I can't do this, man. You're going to end up making me move country. NZ. Oh my god. 1700. Fucking hell, man. I think I'm gonna migrate to the NZ. Yeah. Yeah, of course, yeah. Yeah, I agree, Pete. Obviously, like I'm saying, I'm just saying that's the worst case possible. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, there's obviously a good few ways around things. I mean, even just buying a new PC and I mean, people squish. It's the biggest legal loophole. It's designed for all the politicians and that anyway, isn't it? It's the biggest legal loophole. It's only payee you get raped. You're on payee, mate. It's a joke. I worked self-employed. What was it, last year? For 7 months. I got like a 4k payout on tax. I didn't pay anything pretty much. So they give it to me back. That's the stupidest thing. And I did it all legit as well. Do you know what I mean? It was all legit. Probably could have got even more. Yeah, crazy. I was doing Sparky work for 6 months, 7 months on site. I got like £4,000 back. I couldn't believe it. When I put it in, I was completely fine. I put everything in proper accountant. I thought, oh fuck, I wonder what my tax bills. Nothing. They gave me 4 grand. How's that work? I was earning serious money as well. I couldn't believe it. It's just crazy. But yeah, I mean, yeah, if you start earning consistent money, man, you got to do it for a company and do it all properly. But yeah, nothing's going on, man. I don't think I'm going to sit around too much longer. Probably take a break for a while, and I'll see where the levels are at a little later. I'll check the stream. I'll check TradingView about 7 o'clock my time in the UK. So we'll give it 3 hours. See where prices are. If it's going to be bouncing around here, there's no point, boys. You might as well stay off for the night. Do you know what I mean? Unless you're going to catch some little scalps. But yeah, as it stands now, it's not looking the greatest, is it? But what a run from here. I just can't believe we didn't get tapped in. I can't believe it, man. That was gutting. I just do this at the end of every session now as well, man, because I lost that pro account, didn't I? From that, I had a bloody order still on the profile. I didn't realise. I'm gonna take a rejection off value area high. Yeah, I mean it's a good trade. I just feel like it's gonna fall back through, man. I feel like this was the, this was the push up, and obviously now price just wants to come back down into its safety zone. But you might catch a little one off it, bud. I'm going back to bed. Where do you live, see? Oh, you're in... Oh, shit, yeah, you're in Oz, aren't you? Yeah, man. What time is it over there, then? What, like 2, 3 in the morning? Yeah, Curtis, sorry. Yeah, that's what I've literally lost... I've lost three pro accounts in the last month and a half, and I mean nearly at the payout stage. I've lost 3 accounts from that in the last month, I think it is. Just, yeah, unlucky, just rushing off. Obviously 2 of them are justified. I had to rush out as an emergency on 2 of them, literally 2 in a row as well. So that's unfortunate. But imagine if I'd had the opposite by ordering. I'd have been, it literally crashed the whole account. And that one of them was 150, so I'd have made like 4.5 grand at least. So yeah, it's fucking unfortunate to be honest. But yeah, man, I'm gonna call it there, man. I'm gonna jump on some the Division 2. I've jumped on a bit of gaming over the last weekend just to try and keep the mind sharp. I'm going to jump on there, and it's 1:50 AM. Damn, son. And I will potentially see you guys around 7:30-ish. See what happens. I'll see what what mood she's in. She's a little bit unwell at the minute still from last week, so I'll see if she don't mind me jumping on for a bit without disturbing her. But I have to do some dinner and stuff, so we'll see. But yeah, man. Apologies for the loss. That was my inexperience that jumped me into that. Definitely shouldn't have taken it. It was very silly looking back at it in hindsight. But we learnt from it, man. But yeah, I'll potentially see you boys later. If not, tomorrow around the same sort of time. Hopefully we've got some better market conditions. But yeah, man. Have a go. Oh, hang on. What's going to happen here? How far is that? Is it just because I'm zoomed in? It's not too far. It's only 10 points off. Yeah, no. I'll tell you what, I'm going to leave it. I'll leave it. I'd rather miss it than take another loss. Yeah, man. I'll see you boys hopefully later. Take care. Thanks for coming.